Team Night Stalkers here. We're here at Wells Township Haunted House in Brilliant, Ohio. This attraction is not a self-guided walkthrough. You get a tour guide, so you can go see all these different scenes. They have an expansive midway with bands playing every other night. Let's get to it. Let's go get some scares.
Legends tell of those bold enough to brave this labyrinth, but few return to speak of what they've seen. This place lives, it breathes. Deep within its heart, creatures will and stir, like blood through severed veins. If you allow this place to swallow you alive, I cannot promise you that you'll stay that way for long.
Oh, okay. 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 Oh, okay. Okay. Okay, I'm out. I'm out. Huh? Having nightmares. Oh boy. Uh-oh. Okay. Okay. What the hell is that? Oh.
I told you he'd be back.
Oh.
I told
Okay.
you.
Okay.
You're a whole bunch of
Alright.
losers.
Alright.
Within the heart of the darkness,
Oh.
an ossuary stands of the once was. A place of preserved prized possessions. Relics no one else desired lie among these shadows.
Huh.
Slithering
Yeah, I don't have
over
anything for
chaos
this.
that once was. Bad things happen. Bizarre dreams that may haunt sleep. And in wind, you'll hear the whispers.
Oh, okay.
Those from the past avoid this shrine, but the brave ones, they still visit. Maybe they just enjoy the hide and seek. When outsiders stumble upon the once was, they're invited to play in the shadows
Okay.
too.
What are we looking at?
If you hear the moonlight music stop.
What are you guys doing in here?
I don't know.
You're not supposed to be in here. You're supposed to be in your cabin sleeping. This is the counselor's cabin, not the campers.
I thought we were having a party.
No parties.
Oh.
You're supposed to be asleep. I'm tired of you campers all week with the pranks and nagging and nagging and nagging. I swear there better not be another one of you. That's not a camper. Come on, go away. This isn't funny. I'm tired of your pranks. Go away. Go away. You're pranks. You were all in trouble for doing Frank's pranks.
Oh my
I'm
god.
sick and tired of it. Every day. They're annoying.
Holy sh! I'm scared. Oh. There's buttons. Oh. I guess she's gone. Alright. I don't like the noise of that. Oh, okay. Oh. Oh, yeah, nothing's in there.
Vile creature. You are a vile creature of a vile nature.
Oh,
You
an exorcism's
will not
happening
stay
here.
I draw the blood of Christ, the power of the Holy Spirit, and condemn you back to hell. You will release this girl by the power of the blood. You will release her and banish you back to hell. You will be gone.
Oh, okay. Okay.
You will release her. You will.
Damn, girl. Okay,
Police
that's
are.
creepy.
Will, you will be gone. No.
Okay.
Alright. Single file line, do not
Oh.
bump your head. Please
Okay.
and thank you.
Single file right here. Right here. Alright. I have everybody. No one got stuck in the fridge.
No,
Watch your step. Hold on to the handles.
I was pretty hungry though.
Oh my god, what did you do? Oh my god, what did you do?
Oh, we're stuck
What did
again.
you do? You don't know what you just did. Help! No! No! What did you do? What did you do? No.
Okay.
Look at what you did!
I'm content that you've made it to this point. But soon, you'll see it my way.
Okay.
As you're here now, and I see you graciously brought the drug with you.
Oh, okay.
Can you be trusted?
That's pretty cool.
Leave me. I will remain hiding in the darkness, the enormous divinity of departure.
Oh,
Abide with me. Abide with me. I'll expire without you.